Hi guys, my name is Kayla and I'm with CH Elevator, and I'm going to take you on a sneak peek of a traditional elevator we have going in, a very, very special product downtown. If you are familiar with St. Louis, you know I'm in Lafayette Square. I don't know if you can see all the buildings around me, but this particular project used to be an old firehouse. Number 7, until I show you what is inside and where this elevator is going to go. We're going to take a look all the way up to the 3rd floor. We're going to go on the rooftop actually. So I'm going to turn this thing around and let's head inside. Okay, let's head inside, guys. Okay, so I just walked through the entryway right there, the big grand space. So you can see there's just stunning detail in every part of this. So you better believe the elevator is going to be pretty stunning as well. Here I'm going to take you to elevator door number 1.
Machine room.
Alright, so now we are going to head upstairs. And here is door number 2 for the elevator. So this is mid-level. I'm going to take you, show you right over the side. That's where we just were. And there's one more space to head up. Okay, so I've already showed you 2 elevator doors. We're going to go up and see where the elevator comes out. And it's a really cool staircase. So you're going to see exactly why they need an elevator in this place. So we are finally at the top. I'm a little out of breath, but exactly why. Again, if we had an elevator, it would be so much easier. So whoever ends up with this beautiful place is gonna have a fully functioning elevator for 3 levels to get up and down nice and easily. But I'm gonna geek out here for just a minute because we're an elevator company, so we should. This was the original shaftway for an elevator back in the day. The super old equipment now just stands as a piece of decor, but really cool in the elevator history. So thanks for going on this sneak peek journey with me today. It was so much fun. This space, like I said, probably 1,000 times. It's just stunning, you guys. But the best part, I should say, is the rooftop view. I'm gonna try to get, there you can see it, the arch in full view. So not only will they walk out of a stunning new elevator to this rooftop, but they'll have views of St. Louis all around. We cannot be more excited to be a part of this. We're gonna take pictures and do a walkthrough at the very end. So come back and check for that.